Hello everyone, myself Karnil Smooth. I work in the property of the nature Phuket. It is located in the northern part of Patong. So today I joined the TSEP training, which I learned a lot from here, and I really thanks to the TSEP team to give us the opportunity for this training, which is very useful for the mice industries for us. And in today, what I learned about is that importance of the details about the mice, that what kind of preparation is needed to be done, and not only involved in the meeting room, but in terms of safety and as well as the quality of the meeting, how should we provide. So yeah, so